Hello, students. How are you? I hope all of you are well. So, let's start today class. Today we will complete exercise 12.4. And in this exercise, we have to read how we will complete 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. So few rules are there. So when you are starting your exercise, so firstly you have to write rules. Then we will solve a question. So rule number first is there. When we converting time from 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. So two rules are there. Rule number first, before noon. Before noon means midnight to midday. It is means AM time. It is AM time. So when it is given AM time, so time will be the same in both clock. If it is given how? So for example, it is written here 6:15 AM. If it is there 6:15 AM. AM is written. So in 24-hour clock, time will be the same. Only in place of AM you have to write hours. So write this. Pause the video and write. Now rule number second. Don't write it again. It is same for rule number second. What is rule second is there? Rule second is there in second rule, afternoon. It was before noon, now afternoon. So afternoon means PM time. PM time. So what we will do in PM time? So time on 12-hour clock, time on 12-hour clock plus 12 hours means whatever given in time in 12-hour क्लॉक वो टाइम तो आपका रहेगा प्लस उसमें 12 आवर्स हमको और ऐड करने हैं because we are finding 24-hour clock's time. So in 12 hour it is half day, not whole day completed, and in a day 24 hours are there, so we have adding here 12 hours more. For example it is, take any example like 3:18 p.m. is there. 3:18 p.m. It is PM time and we're going to convert in 24-hour clock. So write in 24-hour clock. So what you will write in 24-hour clock? As rule 3:18 p.m. and plus 12 hour more, you have to add 12 hour more. So when you add, what you get? It is 18 and 3 2 5 and 0 plus 1 1 15 18 hours. And when you converted your time in 24-hour clock, so don't write AM and PM, you have to write only hours in 24-hour clock. So write this is rule number second. Now first step completed. Now second, to pause the video and write. What is second? Second is there when time converted from 24. Here only you have to change from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. Now this is number second. So in second part also two rules are there. So you have to write both rules. Okay? Okay. So rule number first. Rule first is there same, before noon. Before noon means it is AM time. Before noon means it is AM time. So what we have to write? Same things. The time will be same in the both clock. The time will be same in both clock. For example, it is general. आप मिडनाइट टू मिड डे जाएंगे 1 2 3 4 5, तो वो एम में रहेगा तो एम ही रहेगा. 1 से 12 तक टाइम चेंज होगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि 1 से 12 तक 1 2 3 ऐसे 12 तक जाएगा. जब आफ्टर 12 आएगा मीन्स 13 14 15, देन इट विल बी चेंज. ओके. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू राइट, suppose it is given 11 2 hours. So easily you can understand, if it is written before 12 11 it is there, so it is am time. If written after 12 means 13 14 15 18 19 21 22 23, like this, so it is pm time. Okay. So what we have to do in this, nothing we will change. In 12-hour clock time, what you have to write? Same to same, no change is there. Only in place of hours you have to write am and pm. And when we converting in 24-hour clock, so in place of am and pm we writing hours. So here in place of hours we have to write am or pm. So you know it is am time, so write am. Okay, pause the video and write. This is rule first of second part. Now rule number second. Now rule number second is there. So it is also very easy. Afternoon time. Afternoon, it means it is PM time. Afternoon means it is PM time. So what we will do? Time on 24-hour clock, whatever it is given time on 24-hour clock minus 12 hours, उसमें हम ऐड कर रहे थे 12 आवर्स ऐड कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ओके. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल if it is given like 1830 hours it is given, so time in 12-hour clock 1830 hours, right here 1830 hours. After that, after 1830, so what we have to do? Subtract 12 hours. So subtract 12 hours, 1200 hours. Subtract it, what you get? 30 and 18 minus 12, 6. So 630, and we don't write here hour or we have to write here am and pm. So it is pm time, so what we will write? 6:30 pm. 6:30 pm will be your correct answer. Okay. So your rule completed. Now let's start our questions. And these all things you have to write before starting your questions. Firstly write exercise, then write these rules, then your question. First is there, convert the given time in 24-hour clock format. So very easy. Number A, 11:30 pm, and we're going to convert it in 24-hour clock. So very easy to convert. Time in 24-hour clock, you know what we have to do? 11:30 pm, it is pm time, so what we will do? We have to add here 12 hours according to rules. So when we will add 12 hours, so we get 213 and 112, 23 30 hours. And when it is converted in 24-hour clock, so we will write hours only. Okay. Next, number B, 5:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m. We have to convert in 24-hour clock. So write in 24-hour clock. See, it is AM time. So you know, according to rule, no change will be there. Only in place of AM, we have to write hours. So what will be your answer? 5:30 hours. Okay. Next, number C is there. You pause the video and write. If I will wait for you, so it will take more time. और वीडियो जहाँ 20 मिनट 30 मिनट का बनेगा, 25 मिनट का वो बनेगा जाके more than 1 hour. Okay. So C number 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. is there. So it is PM time. So in 24-hour clock. So what we have to do? We have to add 12 hours. According to rule, we will add 12 hours. So when we add 12 hours, so what we get? 6 to 8. 1 plus 0, 18. 18, 30 hours. Now it is converted in 24-hour clock. When you seen in station, if you gone anywhere by train, स्टेशन में आपको जो स्टेशन की वॉच होती है, घड़ी होती है, वहां आपको 24-hour क्लॉक में टाइम ही दिखेगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट, नंबर डी, 12:20 p.m. 12:20 a.m. not p.m. So a.m. time is very easy. In 24-hour clock time, what you have to write? Same time, only in place of AM you have to write hours. Very easy. Okay. Number E, 7, 11, 43 p.m. means hour, minutes and seconds are given in PM time. So in 24-hour clock time, what we have to do? Write your time given in 12-hour clock and add 12 hours. Here 00, here also 00. It is PM and it is we adding here 12 hours. Add, very easy. 43, 11 and 7 plus 12, 19. So 19, 11, 43 hours will be your answer. Okay. Number F. Number F is there. Last of first number, 9:15:25 a.m. 9:15:25 a.m. is there. So very easy it is. So time in 24-hour clock, AM is there. So no any change. 9:15:25 hours. Only in place of AM you have to write hours. So question first completed. Now question second. Now we will convert the given time in 12-hour clock, just opposite. So there we are adding in PM time. Now we will subtract in PM time, and in AM time no change. So first number A is there. Second question number A. Second number A is there. 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 . 1:15 145 hours. 145 hours. It is there 145 hours, and we have to convert it in 12-hour clock. So firstly, you have to know it is 12-hour time or 24-hour time. So we are converting in 12-hour clock time, so it is 24-hour time given. So you have to understand it is am or pm time. So 145 is there. If it will be 13:45, then you can understand it is pm time. Now it is 145, means it is in night 145. So what we have to do, nothing we will change. Write time in 12-hour clock time. Time in 12-hour clock time. So 1:45 am. Okay, done. Right. Next, number B is there. Number B is there. 30 hours. So it is given 0030 hours. So you have to understand when it will be start at night in at midnight 12 o'clock it will be 00. So it is am time. It is am time. So time in 12-hour clock, what you have to write, 0030 am. Correct? If any problem is there, so you can write here 12:30, but you have to write here am. Am. Clear? So when you will write 12:30 am, it means it is midnight. Number C is there. Number C is there. 10 hours. 10 hours. So easily you can understand it is AM time, because अगर ये PM time होता तो क्या होता, 22:10. Okay, so time in 12-hour clock, what you have to write, nothing will change, only 10 am in place of our am. Okay. Next, number D, 14:28 hours. 14:28 hours. It is there. Now time in 12-hour clock. So now easily you can see it is PM time, because it is started afternoon. Afternoon means 12, 13, 14. So it is PM time. So in PM time, you know what you have to do. So whatever time given in 24-hour clock, firstly you have to write, and after that you have to subtract 12 hours. 000 hours. So when you will subtract, what you get, here 28, here 28, and 14 minus 12, 2. So 2:28, and now here what we will write, AM or PM? So you know it is PM time, so write PM. That is your answer. Next, number E is there. Number E is there. 20. Interesting question. 20 hours. Okay, so time in 12-hour clock Write whatever time given in 24-hour clock. After that, what you have to do? It is PM time because 50, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it is PM time. So you have to subtract 12 hours. Subtract 12 hours. What you get? Here 20, here 20, and when you subtract 20 to 12, so 8. 8, 20, 20, it is PM. Okay? And now last one, number F is there. F is there 19, 25, 40 hours. And I want to say one things. Don't copy all question from here. Just see the method, and I already explained you in your online classes. So if any confusion in any questions, then you have to see. Otherwise, do yourself. Mostly question do yourself. So it will be better for you. Okay. So time in 12-hour clock. Very easy. Write whatever time given in 24-hour clock. After that, you have to subtract according to your rule. Subtract 12 hours. And when you will subtract, you get here 40, here 25, and 19 minus 12, 7. And what is we have to write here? PM. It is PM time. Okay. So I think it is okay. So your exercise 12.4 completed. So complete it properly in your notebook, whole exercise, and write the rules also. So we will meet in next video. Bye bye. Take care.